7 orange birds you won't believe are real. Number 7 Baltimore Oriole. The male's color comes from pigments called carotenoids. Number 6 Rufous Hummingbird. It migrates remarkably long distances for such a tiny bird. Number 5 Common Kingfisher. It can dive into water to catch fish with incredible precision. Number 4 Orange-breasted Sunbird. Its long, curved bill and tongue are perfectly suited for reaching nectar. Number 3 Flame Bowerbird. Male bowerbirds build elaborate structures and decorate them to attract females. Number 2 Northern Red Bishop. Males become dramatically brighter during breeding season. Number 1 Orange-bellied Parrot. It is one of Australia's rarest birds and is critically endangered. Which orange bird is your favorite? Comment your favorite.